We traveled by train last week. We waited for the bus in the rain. My brother enjoys fixing old bicycles. They moved to another city last year. He bought a new laptop for work. If it rains tomorrow, we will stay inside. He has been studying for 3 hours. I forgot my umbrella at home. She cooked dinner for her family. We waited for the bus in the rain.